y'all, it's Laura and I have an extra bonus video for you for scrap timber. This is a giant order that I just got from Jillibean Soup. They are having a really cool sale and you can get grab bags, $10 grab bags, and a giant warehouse bag. The warehouse bag is $30, the grab bags are only $10. This is an extra little goodie they put in my order, so that's kind of cool. I've never seen that before. These are giant buttons, so we'll see how I can use those. The grab bags you will see in an upcoming grab bag challenge. That's right, I'm gonna try these out. They look perfect for that, so put those aside. You'll see those in more detail later, and I'll unbox this beautifulness that is $30 in Jillibean Soup deliciousness. Okay, I've saved you from a lot of packaging noise and gone ahead and opened everything up. And let's see what I've got. I believe the value of this was around $150, $120, maybe something around there. It was a lot. So I thought it would be worth doing. And I'm glad I did. There's a lot of stuff here that looks really cool. We've got some veneer clothespins with numbers on them. I have kids, this could be good for that. I have, oops, things are falling already. We have some veneer clothespins with appointment, urgent, date, note. These more likely I would put in a giveaway. I have some notebook tags, which are kind of cool. We've got some little sayings on there. Let's see if it says it. There we go. On the back, up close and personal. Lots of different cool sayings in there. And 35 pieces. We've got the Jillibean Soup pea pod parts, which are the die cuts. I'm not sure what collection, but there's 99 die cuts. Oh, Mushroom Medley is the name of the collection. This is really cute and perfect for fall, I think. Very, very cute. And then we have some flashcards, 32 die cut flashcards, which are very similar to those last ones. They're just little sayings on them. So there's those. We've got some wood veneer tags. These are kind of cool. So there's 2 large and 2 small wood veneer tags. I've never seen that before. That's really neat. Some twine in yellow and green. We've got some rhinestones. No, they're sequins, not rhinestones. These are sequins that already have adhesive on them. Kind of cool. We've got some craft tape that says hello, memories, smile, favorite, and love. That's kind of cool. We've got this thing, which has some corrugated frames. It looks like some corrugated cardboard shapes, so that would be interesting to play with. We've got some Cool Beans buttons. So those are cute. They're wood buttons. We've got some regular buttons. Those would be good for, you know what, I need to start doing like a grab 5 and like pull these random things out. How would you guys like to see that? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see that. We've got some bean board alphas. These are like really thin chipboardish alphas, 205 pieces. All kinds of letters and numbers. We've got soup labels, it says. But these are just some really cute little banners and stickers, and I like that. We've got vegetable soup, fresh vegetable soup. So these are some stickers. They're kind of off-white. They're not really the white base. They're kind of a cream base. So that's a little bit different. Then we've got some alphas that are yellow. I do like this color of yellow. So large alphas and small alphas. And then the papers. Y'all, check this out. What? Giant stack of papers, and I am so excited about that. Now, to make this go by a little bit more quickly, but still let you see everything, I'm not going to say the names of every page. I'm just going to quickly flip back and forth and move them out of the way, because this is a good 2 inches of paper, all right, and I want to show it to you. So here's cut aparts. And I warn you, my camera may not love the paper flipping, so I do apologize if it starts acting a little weird. This is across several collections, it looks like. This first one looks like it's mostly from Homemade 6-Bean Soup. So if you're interested in this collection, that is what you should look for. This one says Coconut Thyme Soup. Scrabble, that's cool. Coconut Thyme Soup. Got some cut-aparts. Ooh, butterflies. Grandma's Lima Bean Soup. More cut-aparts. Country Pumpkin Chowder is the collection on this one. Nice ledger paper. Got a cut apart. Still on Country Pumpkin Chowder. Apparently I got the whole collection. Neapolitan Bean Bisque. Well, that doesn't sound good at all. Cut aparts. Sweet and sour soup. I think a lot of these would make really great semi-neutral backgrounds. Winter Tortellini and Spinach Soup Collection. Cut aparts. Hearty Barley. Now this is a really thick craft paper, just one-sided. And same here, but it's a really beautiful wood grain. Soup Staples 2 coordinating paper. It's a nice polka dot. Got a chevron. Got another polka dot and a chevron. I think we're going to see they're all polka dots and chevrons in varying colors. There we go. These are nice. I like these. These are very classic styles and colors. I can see using them on a number of layouts. This one's called Hearty Hodgepodge. Chit Chat Chowder is this collection here. I like that. Some clouds and numbers. We've got a very tiny cut apart. Still part of that Chit Chat Chowder. Some small words you could cut up, or some paper clips. This one's called Mushroom Medley, which is the name of the die cuts that was in that one pack. So that's good. I can put together a mini kit with that. It's very nature themed. I do have a lot of camping photos from my kids' scouts to do. I love this, the wood grain with the heart. That's kind of cute too. And the cut apart. Grandma's Lima Bean Soup. Now this is a break apart page of die cuts, as is this one, Sweet and Sour Soup. So I will be able to put together some mini kits, and I'm excited about that. This one is from the what was that? The last one was Sweet and Sour Soup. This one is also Sweet and Sour Soup. So the die cuts are on a page, which I'm probably just going to pop those all out and put them in a little baggie. So that's it for my awesome warehouse box. I'm really excited to play with this stuff. That is a ton of paper, and I love, love, love paper. I think that's a great deal. So if you have any questions, put them in the boxes below, that little comment area thing. And these will be in upcoming grab bag challenges. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Until next time, bye!